Welcome to the math class. I'm discussing about Bessel's formula, problems on Bessel's formula. In the last class, we proved Bessel's difference formula. Now I'm discussing about the problems on Bessel's formula. Problem number 1, given y20 is equal to 24, y24 is equal to 32, y28 is equal to 35, y32 is equal to 40. Find y25. Y25 by Bessel's formula. By Bessel's formula. See, first write the given data. Already we know about the Bessel's formula. Bessel's formula means Gauss forward and Gauss backward. Gauss forward అలాగే ఉంచితే Gauss forward లో suffix లో subscriptions లో 1 పెట్టాలి and interchange and replace u in the place of u minus 1. u place లో u minus 1 అని replace చేసుకోవాలి. Then we get the new equation, and the equation 1, that is the Gauss forward difference formula, interpolation formula, and the equation 3, that is the new equation. ఈ రెండింటికి average తీసుకుంటే we get the Bessel's formula వస్తుంది అనమాట. So first write the given data. Given that y20 is equal to 24, y24 is equal to 32, y28 is equal to 35, y32 is equal to 40. We now find y25, that is x is equal to 25. Since we have four number of arguments, and so take మనకి 4 అంటే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కనుక ఇస్తే 4 కనుక ఇస్తే x0 is equal to సెకండ్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో టేక్ x0 is equal to 4. therefore అప్పుడు x0 4 అయితే x minus 1 is equal to ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఇది 24, ఇది సెకండ్ కాబట్టి ఇది x minus 1 అవుతుంది. x minus 1 is equal to 20, x1 is equal to 28, x2 is equal to 32, and y1 is equal to y minus 1 is equal to 24, y0 is equal to 32, y1 is equal to 35, y2 is equal to 40, and the interval of differencing h is equal to 4. అన్నిటికీ 4 difference ఉంది. Now we construct forward difference table. Forward difference table, that is x values, y values. మనకి 4 ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి 3 differences రాస్తాం. difference 1, second difference, and the third difference. We can enter the values. x minus 1 is equal to 20, x0 is equal to 24, x1 is equal to 28, x2 is equal to 32, and y minus 1 is equal to 24, y0 is equal to 32, y1 is equal to 35, y2 is equal to 40. The differences between these two, we get the first difference. Del y minus 1 is equal to 32 minus 24 is equal to 8. Del y0 is equal to 3. and del y1 is equal to 5. Again differences, we get the second difference is del square y minus 1 is equal to minus 5. Del square y naught is equal to 2. Third difference, del cube y minus 1 is equal to 7. So this is the difference table. Therefore, by Bessel's difference formula, Bessel's difference formula. Therefore, f of x is equal to y0 plus y1 by 2, y1 plus y0 by 2 plus u minus half into del y0 plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial into del square y minus 1 plus del square y0 by 2 plus u into u minus half into u minus 1 divided by 3 factorial into del cube y minus 1 plus and so on, where u is equal to x minus x naught by h. That is u is equal to x అంటే మనకి 25 కదా, అండ్ x నాట్ అంటే ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి 24. h డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత 4. That is equal to 0.25. Substitute all the values in the given formula. Therefore, f of x anta 25 kada, f of 25 is equal to 32 plus 35 by 2 plus 0.25 minus half into 3 plus 0.25 into 0.25 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into minus 5 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 0.25, 0.25 minus half, 0.25 minus 1 divided by 3 factorial into 7. After calculation, we get 33.5 minus 0.75 plus 0.140625 plus 0.05468. That is equal to f of 25. Finally, we get 32.9452 approximately. So this is the first problem. And the second problem, problem number 2. Second problem. Apply Bessel's formula. Apply Bessel's formula to obtain y25 given y20 is equal to 2854, y24 is equal to 3162, y28 is equal to 3544, y32 is equal to 3992. So this is the given data. So here we observe that how many arguments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 arguments ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి x నాట్ అనేది ఆరిజిన్ ఏం తీసుకుంటాం, సెకండ్ వన్ అంటే y24. So solution, given that y20 is equal to 2854, y24 is equal to 3162, y28 is equal to 3544, y32 is equal to 3992. We now find y25. y25 కాబట్టి క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ అంటే దట్ ఈస్ x is equal to 25. Since we have four number of arguments, and so take x naught is equal to 24. x naught is equal to 24. This x naught is equal to 24 అంటే దీనికి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ లో ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది, x -1 అవుతుంది. దీనికి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ x1 అండ్ x2 ఇలా అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి that implies x -1 is equal to 20, x1 is equal to 28, and x2 is equal to 32. And similarly, we can take the values. Y -1 is equal to 2854, y0 is equal to 3162, y1 is equal to 3544, and y2 is equal to 3992. And the interval differencing and h is equal to 2 and h is equal to 4. So we construct the forward difference table. Now construct forward difference table that is x values, y values, first difference, second difference, and the third difference. Write the values. X -1 is equal to 20, x0 is equal to 24, x1 is equal to 28, x2 is equal to 32. Y -1 is equal to 2854, and y0 is equal to 3162, and y1 is equal to 3544, and y2 is equal to 3992. Right, the first difference, del y -1 is equal to 308. This one minus this one. Del y0 is equal to 382. This minus this one. Del y1 is equal to 448. Second difference, del square y -1 is equal to 74. Del square y0 is equal to 66. Now the third difference, del cube y -1 is equal to -8. Now by using Bessel's difference formula, by using Bessel's difference formula. Write the difference formula. F of x is equal to y0 plus y1 by 2. Note kocheyali idi. y0 plus y1 by 2 plus u minus half into del y0 plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial into the difference is del square y minus 1 plus del square y0 by 2 average plus 3 terms u into u minus half into u minus 1 by 3 factorial into del square y minus 1 plus and so on, where u is equal to x minus x naught by h. u is equal to ఆల్రెడీ మనకు తెలుసుగా x వాల్యూ ఎంత 25 మైనస్ x నాట్ అంటే 24. h డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి x మైనస్ x నాట్ h is equal to 4. h డిఫరెన్స్ 4 అంటే that is equal to 0.25. Therefore, substitute all the values in the given formula. Therefore, f of 25 is equal to 3162 plus 3544 divided by 2 plus 0.25 minus 0.5 into 382 plus 0.25 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into 74 plus 66 divided by 2 plus 0.25 minus 0.525 minus 1 divided by 3 factorial into minus 8. 3 factorial minus 8. After calculation, we get 3353 minus 95.5 minus 6.5625 minus 0.0625. That is equal to 3250.875 approximately. Therefore, f of 25 is equal to 3250.875. Hence solved. So this is the procedure. We have to solve any problem by using Bessel's formula. And one more problem by using Bessel's formula. Problem number 3. Using Bessel's formula, find the f of 25 from the given data f of 20 is equal to 51203. f of 30 is equal to 43931. f of 40 is equal to 3534563. f of 50 is equal to 24348. So this is the given data. Solution: given that f of 20 is equal to 51203, f of 30 is equal to 43931, f of 40 is equal to 34563, and f of 50 is equal to 2434850. Now we now find how to find f of what we have to find f of 25. And that is, and x value manam find out cheyali. X is equal to 25. ఎన్ని ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి? 1 2 3 4 4 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి since we have 4 number of arguments, and so take x naught is equal to second one ఏది f of 30 అంటే 30. So f of x naught is equal to 30. x naught is equal to 30 అయితే అంటే దట్ ఇంప్లాయిస్ ఏమవుతుంది, దీనికి బిఫోర్ ఎవరున్నారు అంటే లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ f of 20. and x minus 1 is equal to 20, x1 is equal to 40, x2 is equal to 50, and y0 is equal to 43931, y1 is equal to 34563, y2 is equal to 24348, and y minus 1 is equal to 51203, కామా ఇంటర్వల్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్సింగ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది, ఒక్కొక్క దానికి 10 10 ఉంది కాబట్టి 10 ఫార్వర్డ్ డిఫరెన్స్. ఫార్వర్డ్ డిఫరెన్స్ టేబుల్, ఫార్వర్డ్ డిఫరెన్స్ టేబుల్ వేద్దాం. సో x values, y values, first difference, second difference, and third difference. Table values ఇస్తే x minus 1 is equal to 20, x naught is equal to 30, x1 is equal to 40, x2 is equal to 50. Y minus 1 is equal to 51203, and y naught is equal to 43931, and y1 is equal to 34563, and y2 is equal to 24348. Del y minus 1 is equal to minus 7272. Del y0 is equal to minus 9368. Del y1 is equal to minus 10215. And the second difference, del square y minus 1 is equal to minus 2096. Del square y0 is equal to minus 847. And del cube y minus 1 is equal to 1249. So this is the forward difference table. By using this difference table, by using Bessel's difference table, difference formula, write the formula. F of x is equal to y0 plus y1 by 2 plus u minus half into del y0 plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial into del square y minus 1 del square y0 by 2 plus u into u minus half u minus 1 by 3 factorial into del cube y minus 1, where u is equal to x minus x naught by h. Here now u is equal to x ante 25 minus x naught ante 30. Interval of differencing h is equal to 10 ante minus 5 by 10 ante that is equal to minus 0.5. U value వచ్చేస్తుంది మనకి. Therefore substitute all the values. Therefore f of 25 is equal to 43931 plus 34563 y1 అన్నమాట by 2 plus u ante minus 0.5 minus 0.5 into minus 9368. Forward difference table first difference ఇది plus minus 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 1 by 2 factorial into minus 2096 minus 847 divided by 2 plus minus 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 1 divided by 3 factorial into 1249. After calculation, we get 39247 plus 9368 minus 551.8125 minus 156.125. Finally, we get to 47907, 47,907.0625 approximately. Therefore, f of 25 is equal to 47,907.0625 approximately. Hence, solved. So this is the way we have to find any problem on Bessel's difference formula by using that formula, substitute all the values in the given formula. We can take the final value. Thank you so much.